Hey guys, I'm Pablo, and today I think I found the Illuminati base. But that one wasn't it. But yeah, I found this cool purple dinosaur thing. It's part of their Illuminati technology, see? We humans cannot think of this. Anyway, so we're gonna go to the real base, which is that one right over there. The camera might be a bit shaky, because it's the Illuminati, guys. I mean, who couldn't be shaking right now? Yeah, it's very sandy. Alright, is there an Illuminati in here? Nope. Maybe in here? Nope. It's sundown now. Yeah, maybe they're, right here? Nope. Guys, look at this. Oh man, guys, this is like, oh, humans cannot think of this either. I mean, look at this. This is obviously Illuminati technology. Let's try it. Here it goes back down. Oh man, this is so cool. Sadly, there's no Illuminati here. Oh no, they're not here. They must be searching for the box. I left the box at home, guys. This is bad. This is really bad. Oh no, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I could steal their secret stuff since they're gonna steal my secret stuff. Yeah, that's a good plan. Alright, I gotta capture these Illuminati. I gotta capture their stuff and sell it online. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Yeah. Anything in here? Nope, there's another side. Alright, here? No. No there either. Alright. Let's get through here. This is tough, guys. So we just made it through there. Anything over here? There's the slide we checked earlier. And there. More Illuminati technology! Oh man, look at this, look at this. We cannot think of this. Oh man. This is so exciting. What's over here? A slide. Oh man, I'm gonna go down it.